In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam game files on Windows 10 or even PC. If you need to access a game's installation folder for mods, screenshots, troubleshooting, or just to see where the files are stored, Steam makes the process very simple. You don't need to search through your drives manually or guess which folder the game is in. Everything can be done directly from the Steam app. To begin, open Steam on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access your account and game library without any delay. If Steam takes a moment to update, just wait for that to finish before moving on. Once Steam is open, go to your library. This is the section where all of your installed and owned games are listed. You'll usually find the library tab near the top of the Steam window. Click it and you'll see your games appear in the sidebar or main panel, depending on your layout. Next, find the game whose files you want to locate. When you see it in your library, right-click on the game title. This opens a context menu with several options related to that specific game. Be sure you are clicking the correct title, especially if you have multiple editions or similarly named games in your collection. From that menu, select Manage and then choose Browse Local Files. This is the built-in Steam shortcut that takes you directly to the game's installed folder on your PC. It's the easiest and most reliable method because Steam automatically opens the exact location where that game is stored. After you click Browse Local Files, File Explorer will open the game's installation folder for you. From here, you can view the files associated with that game. Depending on the title, you may see folders for data, configuration files, launch applications, or other game assets. If you're following instructions for modding or fixing a problem, this is usually the folder those guides are referring to. As a quick tip, be careful not to delete or move files unless you know exactly what they do, since changing the wrong file can stop the game from working properly. If you only need the folder location, you can also key this path from the File Explorer address bar for later use. And that's it. That's how to find Steam game files on a Windows 10 or even PC using Steam itself.